What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to go over a case study for my first Amazon FBA order. All right, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. This is not financial advice, nor my financial advisor, so please just take this for what it's worth. This is my first order with Amazon FBA, and I want to give you guys a real life lesson here. So let's take a look at how this went down, and I'll give you guys all the numbers, and you can see exactly what we ordered, and you can hopefully learn from our mistakes. So we ordered this cork circle cigar glass, okay? And it's like a glass. It's got like this little indentation in it for a cigar. And the reason why we ordered it was because it had high revenue and fairly low reviews, and it looked like a really good product. Unbeknown to us that this was a patented or a copyrighted or patented item in the United States. So we got the stuff over to the Amazon warehouse. It started selling really well. We were selling about 10 to 12 units a day, and we thought we were really onto something. This is going to be a great product. And lo and behold, about a month into it or so, we got delisted due to a patent infringement from whoever has that patent probably turned us in. So let's take a look at the numbers here, guys, and we can see where we're at. Fortunately, I didn't get beat up too bad on this one, and I think we can actually turn a profit on this before it's all said and done. But right now I'm still out a little bit of money, but let's take a look at it. Okay, so we had a sample shipment. We had to get barcodes for it when we send it into the warehouse. My monthly subscription for Viral Launch, which we paused for right now, was $41. Cigar glasses, we ordered 735 units at 4272. This is the actual glass right here, and you can see there's only 31 reviews here. Looks like they're selling it for $24.95 on Prime. And we had shipping charges of $48, and this was for some that had come. For some that got separated from the bunch that came to my house, we had to ship them back to Amazon. That was like $48. So all in all, I got $44.13 invested into this particular product. So we started selling probably around like the end of June, and they were selling really well, about 10 to 12 units a day on Amazon. It's a fairly hot product. And before we got de-indexed, we basically brought in $2,890. So right now, we're sitting on a net loss of, let's see, 4413 minus 2890. We're at about 1,500 negative right now, okay? But I have 496 units still sitting in the warehouse at Amazon. So we're going to try to move those to another fulfillment warehouse. We're going to try a couple different things. We're either going to try to sell them to like a some kind of a discount place. We're working on potentially setting up maybe a store and running our own ads and trying to sell them ourselves on possibly Facebook, kind of like an e-com product. So we're going to try to basically find a way to move those 500 units. So let's just say we average $9.97 a unit. Okay, now mind you, they're selling on Amazon for $24.97, anywhere from $19.97 to $24.97. So we move, $9.97. We sell them for times 500 roughly, and we're at close to almost $5,000 still sitting there. So right now we're down about $1,500 in what I've invested in these, but the chance to make up the $1,500 and another $3,500 still exists. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on this case study once we figure out how we're going to move these things. My media buyer's in the process of building out a funnel right now to see if we can move these online. It'll be pretty interesting to see how this all goes down, to see if we can actually turn a profit on this first order since we got nailed with this patent infringement. So I thought you guys would be interested in learning from our mistakes. Make sure before you place a big order, this is a $4,200 order, that you check the patent websites out there. I believe you can just Google search, U.S. patents and whatnot, and you can, kind of do some searches around for this product and find it. But the second time around now, we've actually placed another order, and this was a $2,500 order on a second product, and that is going to be on the way this week, and we'll see how that one goes, and we'll keep you guys updated as far as the case study goes as we progress in the Amazon FBA business. We have a couple other products we're thinking about ordering as well right now. We're trying to beat up some vendors on pricing and whatnot. The power of what we saw was awesome. I mean, this particular product got into the warehouse. Somehow we ranked really well right off the bat. No surprise since it's a patented item and we're a new seller, and it was selling like hotcakes, 10 to 12 units a day, and we got pretty excited, and then that happened. So we did get to see the power of Amazon firsthand. We didn't get beat up too bad on our first mistake. And at the end of the day, even the worst case scenario, I got to move these 500 units and I only get $1,500 and I break even. We learned something. So I'm pretty sure somebody will pay $1,500 for 500 units of this class, because they'll be able to move them at like a dollar type of store or something like that. So we'll find a way to get rid of these things, and we'll keep you updated as far as when things progress and when we figure out what we're going to do with these 500 units. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the FBA case study. That's it. You go out there, you find products that are make sense as far as reviews and profitability goes. You find a shipper, some kind of a manufacturer over in China. I have a connection over in China now from my trip over there to Yiwu. Or you find the U.S., maybe a wholesaler or something. You buy the products, you put them into the warehouse, you sell them. It's really that simple, guys. You don't need to go out and overcomplicate the whole process. The hard part's in the research and finding the products that make sense, and then a little bit of work to get them over here. And hopefully you can start moving these products, get your reviews up, they start moving, and then it's just something you can just keep reordering and reordering and reordering, and the money just keeps coming in kind of like on autopilot. It's very passive. So that's what I like about this business. That's why it's appealing to me. That's why we're going to keep reviewing some products here. Hopefully we can find a couple more winners before the year's end. And then we have a nice little extra income stream. That's a whole goal with the Amazon FBA businesses here. If you guys like what you saw today and you did learn something, I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I'll welcome you to the channel. And then if you are already a subscriber and you haven't banged the notifications bell, I would appreciate you doing so. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later.